Hello everyone, how to toots back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you an app review called Bluesky. So this app is trending nowadays because of Twitter alternative, and Bluesky is created by Jack Dorsey, who created the Twitter. So the app is 18 megabyte. It's too light. So it's recently released, like 20 days ago or 25 days ago. So you can download this from Google Play Store and App Store. And in these days, the app is downloaded 100k plus. So it's really huge download. And the slogan of the app: "See what's next." So you can see the screenshot. See what next. Sign creative. It's quite similar look to Twitter, retweet everything like Twitter, but there is some distinct. So we'll see when this app release, and there are some new. Like you can see the app is released 9 April 2023, and there is no ratings yet. So you can download this frame. I'll create more videos how to use Bluesky. So today is Noma, and see you in the next video.